Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with the power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Ecotec 3 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, rear park assist, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book remarks boat and trailer owners in particular gravitate toward Suburbans, which offer up to 8,100 pounds towing capacity. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Contact IJim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.